Can you give a Django app a verbose name for use throughout the admin? In the same way that you can give fields and models verbose names that appear in the Django admin, can you give an app a custom name?
Give them a verbose underscore name property. Don't get your hopes up. You will also need to copy the index view from django.contrib.admin.sithes into your own project admin site view and include it in your own custom admin instance. Then tweak the copied view so that it uses your verbose underscore name property as the label for the app. I did it by adding something a bit like this to the copied view. While you are tweaking the index view, why not add an order property too?
Django 1.8 Plus. For the 1.8 docs and current docs, new applications should avoid default_app_config. Instead, they should require the dotted path to the appropriate appconfig subclass to be configured explicitly in installed_apps. Example. Then alter your appconfig as listed below. Django 1.7. As stated by Runwick's comment to op, this is now possible out of the box since Django 1.7. Taken from the docs. Then set the default_app_config variable to Europe_config. Prior to Django 1.7. You can give your application a custom name by defining app_label in your model definition. But as Django builds the admin page, it will hash models by their app_label, so if you want them to appear in one application, you have to define this name in all models of your application.
Well, I started an app called To Do, and have now decided I want it to be named Tasks. The problem is that I already have data within my table, so my workaround was as follows. Placed into the models.py. Hope it helps.
If you have more than one model in the app, just create a model with the meta information and create subclasses of that class for all your models.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.